Hello, everyone, and welcome to your Stimulus Watch, where we bring you the latest updates on financial assistance, Social Security benefits, and economic policies that directly impact you. Breaking news. The government has announced a new round of $3,000 stimulus payments specifically for Social Security and SSDI recipients. This is a major financial relief effort aimed at helping millions of seniors and disabled Americans deal with rising costs, inflation, and economic instability. If you or someone you know receives Social Security or SSDI, you'll want to listen carefully because in this video, we'll break down who qualifies for these payments, when and how the money will be distributed, why the government is issuing this stimulus now, how this impacts other benefits like Medicaid and SNAP, how to protect yourself from scams, and what this means for future stimulus checks. This is one of the biggest financial updates of the year, so make sure you watch till the end and subscribe for more updates that could put extra money in your pocket. What is this $3,000 stimulus payment? Over the past few months, inflation has skyrocketed, making basic necessities like food, housing, and medical care more expensive than ever. In response, the government has introduced a one-time $3,000 stimulus payment to assist Social Security and SSDI recipients. Unlike previous stimulus programs, this round of funding is targeted exclusively at individuals who rely on Social Security or SSDI for their income. This means millions of Americans will receive direct financial relief without income restrictions or additional tax filings. This stimulus aims to help seniors cope with rising costs, provide immediate economic relief, stimulate local economies by increasing spending, reduce financial stress for those on a fixed income. This is a direct cash payment, meaning you can use it however you see fit, whether for groceries, medical bills, rent, or other necessities. Who qualifies for this stimulus payment? The eligibility for this $3,000 stimulus check is very specific. So let's break it down. Checkmark Social Security retirement beneficiaries. If you are receiving Social Security retirement benefits, you qualify automatically. SSDI recipients, if you receive Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, you are also eligible. Who is not eligible? Those not on Social Security or SSDI individuals who receive SSI, Supplemental Security Income, unless they also qualify for SSDI high income earners who do not rely on these benefits. Unlike previous stimulus payments, this check is not based on income thresholds, meaning recipients will get it regardless of tax filings or income levels. However, if you recently started receiving benefits, make sure your information is up to date with the Social Security Administration. When and how will you get paid? The official payment distribution begins on March 25th, and here's how it will work. March 25th. Direct deposits start for those with banking information on file. Paper checks will be mailed out to individuals without direct deposit in the following weeks. The distribution will follow the same pattern as previous stimulus payments. Direct deposit recipients get their money first. Paper check recipients get payments a few weeks later. No action needed if your information is already updated with the Social Security Administration. Why is the government issuing this payment now? This stimulus comes at a critical time for many Americans. Here are the main reasons why it's happening now. 1. Inflation is out of control. The cost of living has skyrocketed over the past year, making everyday essentials like food, utilities, and rent unaffordable for many seniors. Fixed income struggles. Seniors and disabled Americans cannot adjust their income, making them the hardest hit by rising costs. 3. Economic stimulus. When seniors receive extra money, they tend to spend it immediately on essentials. which helps boost the local economy. 4. Holiday and seasonal expenses. Many seniors face extra financial strain during holidays and the winter season due to higher heating bills, medical expenses, and gift giving obligations. The government recognized these challenges and decided that immediate relief was necessary. Beware of scams. Whenever a new stimulus is announced, scammers start preying on seniors. Here's what you need to know: the Social Security Administration will never call, text, or email asking for your bank info. If you receive a phone call asking for your Social Security number, banking details, or personal information, hang up immediately. You do not need to apply for this payment. It will be sent automatically using your existing Social Security information. Protect yourself by ignoring suspicious calls or emails, checking only official government sources for updates, talking to a trusted family. Talking to a trusted family member or financial advisor. If unsure FAQs, your questions answered. Will this affect my other benefits? No. This stimulus check will not count as income for Medicaid, SNAP, food stamps, housing assistance. Is this a one-time payment or the start of more checks? Right now, it is a one-time payment. However, discussions are ongoing about additional relief programs if inflation continues to rise. Do I have to pay taxes on this? Most likely, no. Based on previous stimulus checks, this payment is expected to be tax-free at the federal level. However, some state taxes may apply, so check with a tax professional. What if I don't get my payment? If you don't receive your payment by mid-April, the government will announce a process for claiming missing checks. What you should do right now: ensure your Social Security information is updated. Watch for direct deposits or mailed checks starting March the 25th. Be cautious of scams. Only trust official sources. Plan how to use this money wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. What do you think about this stimulus check? Will it be enough to help you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next update.